So a few more tips and tricks that might help you with your rendering to create a scene. What I've done here is I've generated a picture using an AI generator, which is Microsoft's AI picture generator. I'll show you what that is for a second. Let's have a look. It's this white plate. That's the original image. I went and did some adjusting on it to create a kind of a exaggerated perspective view. You can see it's not very well done. It's got these jagged edges at the top, but I did it in a hurry. And then let's just put this back in place. What you do, so I'm going to hide this for now. All right. You type in your command line, you type the word picture in, and you hit enter. And then it's going to ask you which picture you want to use. So you go to wherever your pictures are. I'm going to use this one here. And it'll ask you to put the picture in one of the viewports. So in this one, I want it to be in the top viewport. Just click in a space. You can see where my cursor is and drag it out. And there we go. You've got your image. Now you can drag this around. You can twist it. You can do whatever you want with it. I'm going to just adjust this to be something like that, maybe. And then I'm going to scale it a little bit. And then let me show you one or two tricks in Rhino, just how to manipulate things. So I'm going to isolate this using the isolate button. And we'll need, for this, we'll need some sort of shape. So I'm going to use a circle. I'm going to draw a circle in there. I'm going to select the circle, the curve, and then go down to this command which says trim. And I will trim the rest of the picture. So it won't show in this view until I say yes by hitting enter. And then there is still a curve in there. I'm just going to delete it. All right, so there we go. There's my oval. And what I did here is I just stretched it a little bit and then rotated it so that it seemed like it fitted with what the plate was doing. Okay, something like that. And then one more step is if you come across to the right hand side, the properties, and you click in material, it'll show you this one that you've got selected. And then right at the bottom here, we're going to adjust the transparency. So I'm going to drop this down a bit so that it doesn't fight with my other images. And then go back to isolate objects, right click in it to unisolate these. If you want to know how to duplicate, what you do is let's just put this in a wireframe. It doesn't need to be. You select whatever you want to duplicate. You drag one of the arms of the gumball out, and then you hit the tab button, and you'll see a little plus arrow appear. Pull this out to where you want it to be, and let go, and then you have a duplicate figure. And then, of course, you can rotate it, do whatever you want with it. For those who want to know, let me know and I'll tell you how to rotate items inside Rhino with the greatest amount of ease. I'm not saying it's easy, but with less trouble than you would think. Okay, and then that's about it. So that's just, I'm sure that this would help some of you create some kind of platform or objects inside here to place your figures on. And then, of course, you can just render it. I think I've chosen the wrong view. Okay. Yes, that's the top view. So just going to make sure you select the right rendering view. Oh, I did forget something else. Right, so that's going to render. Just a quick reminder here that your wallpaper sits at the bottom here. You can show it or not. And if you click on these three little buttons, it'll take you to wherever you want to go. And that's where you select the background. So that's how you do it. I think I said that already, but just to remind you. Thanks for watching. Happy rendering.